Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, if you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at this analysis on Euro JPY. So we will actually start a quick analysis, by the way. So we will start from the higher time frame and we will analyze it down to the 4-hour time frame. So let's start this movement, which was from 2019. So we can see that since 2019, Euro JPY has been giving us a bullish move. That is one. We can also see that we are getting an higher highs, higher lows. Thereby, price is trading above our 10-period simple moving average. So basically, in the long term, this is actually quite a bullish move, right? So a position trader or long-term traders, we actually want to wait for a setup to go ahead and take a buy movement. So we would see this to be an higher highs, then we would consider this to be an higher lows. This will be seen as an higher highs, and we will take a look at this to be an higher lows. We will see this to be a new highs that took out the previous highs and consider this to be an higher lows. Then we will take a look at this to be a new highs that took out this previous highs, and now we would consider this to be an higher lows. So what we will be waiting for, is like a bullish move. Price actually, give us an opportunity to go ahead and take that buy, and we will continue the higher lows. Also have it in mind there's every possibility that price can even drop again to take out these lows. Yes, there's every possibility because we are seeing a getting a bullish move on JPY. Right, JPY is actually getting a bullish move. So basically any other pairs we would be trading to JPY should be dropping. This is one of the reasons why I said there's every possibility that price can drop to a level of 133. Currently we are trading at 138 on EURJPY, so price can eventually drop to a level of 133 before you continue that bullish move. So watch out for that movement, or price can give us that bullish move at a level of 138, but I don't think so yet. Let's see if price will drop to a level of 133 before we go bullish. So we would see this movement. You can see previously this price was trading above the 10-period simple moving average. Right now we are trading below the moving average. So this is the month of November. The month of November gave us a bearish move. The month of December gave us a bearish move, and this is the month of January. It has given us a bearish move. The month has not ended, by the way. More bearish move is to come. Then we take a look at your weekly time frame. So I've highlighted some key levels here. You can see these levels. You can see that once price has reacted to this same level here, so we see price gave us a reaction at also the same level. If you take a look at this week's taking bottom here, price reacted, and you can see price very much likely to react at this level, thereby pushing up, and at the same time price can eventually drop to take out this liquidity level, right? So watch out for it. There's strong possibility, or will I say probability, that price will drop to this level of 133, right? We've gotten a reaction here, we've seen a reaction here. Price eventually can give us that drop on EURJPY to take out these lows before it continue that bullish. So you all should be very, very careful on this EURJPY. I don't think it's time to go ahead and take that buy. Price can drop to take out this level of 133, and you can see we are still trading below this 10-period simple moving average. So this EURJPY still a bearish move. If you take a look at it on the daily time frame, you clearly can see a lower lows and a lower highs, lower lows and a lower highs, lower lows and a lower highs, right? So if eventually price can break this new lows here, which is at a level of 137, then I don't mind taking a sell straight to a level of 133. So I personally will be watching out if Euro JPY can take out this level of 137, right? If we can break this level of 137, I don't mind selling down to a level of 133 on this EURJPY. But if it goes bullish, then no problem. We will go ahead and take the buy movement. But I will be watching out for this lows to be broken. So once it is broken, it drops to a level of 137 or maybe 136. I think that will be safe. Then I can now go ahead and sell and take out this lows. At least with that, I would be able to grab about 300 pips on JPY. But as we can see on this forward time frame, I think a pullback is forming. So it should be something like this: a drop, a pullback here, another drop, and a pullback at this level. So let's see if the pullback is over, we'll get another drop on EURJPY.